I'm Frank Vickery, right? And I'm thrilled to be part of Rhondda Cannon Taff's magical family panto, Aladdin.
Hi, I'm Max, and I'm thrilled to be back in RCT Theatres playing the ultimate hero, Aladdin. Aladdin is a lovable scamp who's always getting into trouble, but he does have a heart of gold.
Hi, I'm Laura, and I'm so looking forward to playing Princess Jasmine. We have a brilliant script, fantastic scenery, and amazing sing-along songs. It's going to be magical.
Now, this is the 7th time I played Dane for RCT Theatres, right? And I gotta say now, right, I wear some outrageous costumes, but I'm telling you now, I am fabulous in it.
It's so much fun, and the whole family can come and watch it. People arrive with huge smiles and leave with aching faces because they've laughed so much.
Aladdin is at the Coliseum Theatre Aberdare and the Parkandare Theatre Treorchy.
From Friday the 1st of December until Sunday the 24th of December.
Don't miss it.